These boots are on fire. Hi, I'm Melody from WTI. Every one of your friends is going to want to look just as stylish as you in these comfy Moda Chelsea boots. Whatever your daily routine is, you're going to fall in love with these boots. With so many different styles, different colors and sizes, every single one is a winner. These particular ones have a premium flannel lining, so it's going to keep you cozy and dry all day long. I love the memory foam inside, so for those long days where you're standing or walking, they're going to keep your feet from getting too tired. The loop on here is fantastic because it really helps me slip my boots on with ease. And talk about traction. I love the secure grip that these comfy Moda Chelsea boots give me. With the waterproof protection, no matter the season, you're going to love wearing them. I think these comfy Moda boots are so worth it. My friend and I both do, but that's my point of view.